Okay, so let's say that you are ready to go with your ScreenCastify. So you open up Google and your Google Chrome browser is open and you choose to go into ScreenCastify. So the link itself opens up and it looks like this. So this is where it gives you your option for your recording processes. So when you want to record, it'll allow you to just record the browser tab specifically. So if I just wanted to record a certain tab that I'm in, then I can actively just record whatever tab I open. Or I can choose to do the whole desktop. So anywhere that I move, anything that I close, that's what it will record. Or I could just record the webcam so they could just see yourself. Your options here are to choose your microphone, so you can turn the microphone and or the camera on or off. In here, you can choose which microphone you want to use. Normally, it'll pick up whatever you have plugged in. So currently, I have the headset plugged in. If it was not, it would choose a different microphone, as well as the camera. So if you have a separate camera plugged in, it will pick it up and register it. So once you're ready to record, you would hit the record button and it would begin recording. And I will show you as we go. So if you hit the record button, it'll give you this option. Now this is very important because again, I can choose to just show a window in a browser. So I can pick a specific browser or a specific window that's open or the entire screen. Generally, you will likely want to show the entire screen of what you're working on. So let's say we started to record. Once our recording is finished, we can head to another section that will automatically show up when you hit stop, and we'll go and review that shortly. But first, let's go through the rest of this menu. So we went through the main section here. Above, you'll notice there is a settings page. So this will show you what your settings already are. So if you wanted different sizes, if you wanted to change the quality of the recording, so like the limit of how the quality is, the frames per second, auto stop, which is also kind of interesting because you can set it so that once you start recording, it'll end at a certain time period. The notifications are mostly notifications from the company, so updates, things like that, that may change or help you out in the future. Then there's a section here, it's called My Recordings. My Recordings, if you click on it, this would bring up all of your previous recordings. So as soon as you stopped recording, a previous recording will show here. And this is the area where you have the option to label things and adjust accordingly and edit later. So with those three sections, we can actually go to the good old hamburger, which will give you your full set of options. So my recording is a quick access that we just went to. My subscription will actually take you to ScreenCastify's page, which will allow you to see what your subscription services are, things you've edited, and so on. So once you go to this again, you have an option menu, the editor, which will come up once you finish recording, submit, which is when you want to post it, and you can actually share this directly to classrooms. Help, and obviously switch account is if you had separate accounts. So if you weren't using this for school per se, or you had a different email login, then you could use that accordingly. From the next video, we're going to discuss how to actually use the recording system and how to edit it and how to post what you worked on.